So today's mission is we're going to go and get the bike sorted. So I'm going to get a, first thing I'm doing is first thing I'm doing is dropping the bike off so that they can check my bike, and the second thing I'm doing is looking for a replacement phone holder bracket so that I can actually navigate without stopping and pulling the phone out of my bag every fucking 30 seconds of every journey. So yeah, we're going to go and record that and we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's go. Just changed the filter to an MD filter, which means that you won't get blinded by light. That's rice or sugar. It might be sugar. You'll notice a horrible rattling sound when I drive, and you'll notice. Hang on. Let's just speed first. Oh no, we need to turn right here. No, we need to turn right here. Yeah, you'll hear this thing here when I put my hand on it. It stops rattling. There we go, look how much it rattles when I put the fire on. Like that. So I was thinking something loose here, that's what I wanted to check. I also wanted to make sure that the handlebars are still pointing the right way. I feel like they are. I just want to make sure, because we hit this bump at such fucking force that it broke the foam bracket holder, so I just want to make sure it hasn't broken anything else to support the sustainability of the motorbike. There we go, cows and buffalo. Here, I think we turn left. Good job I checked the map, I was allowed to go left. The other day, we've got to watch out for potholes, we've got to watch out for people, large trucks, other vehicles, stray dogs, chickens. But this road seems pretty fucking sweet. I can actually go fast on this road without worrying. Brilliant. Okay, so my wonderful beloved significant other Sar has confirmed that it is on exactly the same road as the police station, which was the road we were just on. So it is time to continue. See if I can get my fucking bike to start. Yeah. I'm going to get him to check why the bike's fucking struggling to start too. It's got a brand new ECU and we only changed the oil yesterday. And it shouldn't be cutting out like that. But it's fine, this bike is an absolute beast and it will survive. Just wait for this car to go. They certainly don't make bikes like they used to, and this bike was made 20 fucking years ago, so it should be good. Motorbike, Okay, they don't have them, so it looks like we're We've learned the way. Instead of relying on a map. Oh god. Get that? You will jack me, mate. So police station to none, gasoline to none, motorcycle near gasoline, mate.
Right.
Huh? So I managed to find a shop that's willing to look at the bike, so they're going to have a look at it in a sec, and I'm just sitting here for the time being. Yes, I'm super happy. He managed to fix this thing. He's fixed this, and this is not rattling, and he's managed to fix my lights, and he's told me how to fix the switch off thing myself. I'm really happy. It cost me 50 baht. Nothing. That's like £1. Anymore. I'm so happy. It's not rattling. My lights work. It doesn't switch off when I'm at the traffic lights. And he's showed me how to do something myself with the motorbike to make sure that it doesn't fucking switch off when I'm at the traffic lights. And the lovely lady in the shop gave me directions to a shop that sells phone holders, which means I'll finally be able to navigate again without stopping every 30 seconds to see where I got lost. Super happy. Oh, and apparently the lights dim because on this kind of bike you have to actually rev it a lot for the lights to actually get brighter. Because it's not an injection or something. I don't know, I'm not a bike guy, I don't understand the rules. I just understand the support. I'm really happy with that result. 50 fucking baht, guys, that's the cheapest I ever thought it would be. 50 baht is like, honestly, it's like £1. £1.10, I think. I'm going to keep going this way. So not the first left, not the second left, not the third, not the fourth, not the fifth, not the sixth. It's just after the seventh. Okay. Let's see if I can remember that. I was super fucking happy chappy right now. I was so worried about the bike until I went there. I want to do it again. I've already forgotten how many things I've gone past. That's probably the first. Or the second. And this will be the second or third. That's what I was telling before. Left, I recognise the inside. Could this be the place? Could well be the place. Oh no. Check that glorious map. Yes, it's here. Alright, let's see if they've got what I need. How do I get in? Oh, this way. Sorry, cut. Ni for motorcycle, dup. Many. Would you run me, mate?
ไฟแดงขวามือ
ไปนู่นไปขวาซอยใช่ครับใช่ครับ Okay, so a bit of an update. I found a phone shop that not only sells phone holders for maps, but they don't have any. They only had car ones. They didn't have any motorbike ones. But they're going to order me one, and they said come back tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll have a bracket holder, so I can actually navigate again. The motorbike, I managed to get the bike fixed. They fixed the thing that was rattling. Something just snapped. They fixed it. They taught me how to stop the bike from just stalling at traffic lights by tweaking a little screw thing on the right that I didn't even know existed. I've also managed to find fucking Thai Rizla. It's not nowhere near as good as like Raw and like Blues and all that stuff, but it's basically proper thick. I mean, consider it as like the worst red Rizla you could possibly get. But yeah, this I finally managed to find that after checking 100 million shops. So I've got stuff I can smoke weed with when I get that back. I've got the bike now that I'm not worried about breaking or killing me. And tomorrow I'll be able to navigate without stopping every 5 fucking seconds. I've just stopped at the nearest place that sells beer. I'm at this lovely little place here, and I'm just going to fucking have a drink, and then I'm going to go back to the hotel room. Right, I feel sufficiently chilled. I've been sat here for a little while now. I've been through a couple of beers. In fact, this is there are two local beers that you should try in Thailand. One is Singer. Singer is a little bit more premium and stronger than the other one, which you may well have heard of already, which is Khapkhun Marker. And this is called Pad Kaprao. You will find Pad Kaprao absolutely everywhere in Thailand. It is like a local cuisine for Thailand, which is essentially beef. Khapkhun Marker, thank you, beef. It's really normal to have a fried egg on top of your food here, right? So you get like rice, minced beef with kaprao. Kaprao is basically this. Sal's family actually grow this in the back garden. Brilliant. And obviously you've got pet. And this is one thing you'll love about Thailand. You can go anywhere and you'll get like restaurant quality, like cucumber on the side, and got a lime to squeeze over the top, and absolutely everything. And it's super fucking cheap. So yeah, I'm going to eat this. I'm going to drink these, and then I'm going to head back to the hotel. But yeah, we're here right now, and we're happy. Bike is fixed, or at least the immediate things are fixed. I have Gadak Panmuan Rizla, which is like it's like red Rizla but twice as thick. So it's not the best for food because I can't smoke. Smoke weed when I get back. And yeah, I'm going to head back in a bit. I'm going to smoke some fucking weed. I'm going to chill. Probably meet up with Sar, and yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a right day. It's been a successful day. Oh, and tomorrow I get another phone holder for my bike, means I can navigate again properly without stopping. But yeah, it's a cool little place here. We'll find loads of like little Thai restaurants like this. Oh yeah, everywhere's got a 7-Eleven. That's where you want to go. You've got a 24-hour store. But yeah, it's been an interesting day. It's been an interesting day on my own.
Oh, I thought my motorbike fixed for £1.19. Now I'm whizzing round the corners like a fence-hopping hen. I may not know the language, but my smile's immense. For one British coin, I've got wheels again. Bouncy, bouncy, silly smile. Zooming round there in style. Spanner said, hop right on mate, it's better than a banana. Now I'm zipping past tuk-tuks with my helmet on wonk. A wave at a tourist and a startled chipmunk. I could have walked, but that's for ducks. When you got a bike that goes and clucks, all the chickens chase me down. the lane, laughing at the price again. Oh, I got my motorbike fixed for £1.90. Now I'm whizzing round the corners like a fence-hopping hen. I may not know the language, but my smile's immense. For one British coin, I've got wheels again. Bouncy, bouncy, silly smile.